So AI is here and it's real. So my question to you is, are you going to take advantage of it or are you going to fall behind? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch, the creator of the Profit Minds Growth System, a way of expanding your profits, accelerating your productivity, and building scale. And today I'm going to talk to you about a new offering from my business about AI training, artificial intelligence. It's generative AI, think ChatGPT or Copilot or Claude, and any of those generative AI things. Most people use these AI tools to, well, they'll do an elaborate Google search, or maybe they'll create some sales and marketing materials. But I'm telling you, there is so much more you can do with it. Most people, they type something in and then they get a typed response, right? That's an input-output method. Did you know there's 10 different ways you can interact with ChatGPT? And by the way, what we do is a belted system. That's the white belt, is how do you interact with ChatGPT or whatever generative AI program you want. The next level is how do you use it in your job? And then the next level is how do you use it to solve problems? And by the time we get to the brown and the black belt, you're using this to build tools, not to get just a few percent more productive, but to get 10x, 100x, even 1,000x more productive in what you do. Now, the AI isn't going to replace your brain, but it's going to be a thinking partner, maybe provide you with some different perspective. If you're interested, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love for you to attend one of our workshops. They're offered every other Friday. So reach out and let's schedule a time. Thanks, and have a grateful day.